Today I am reviewing the ATEC 32GB DDR3 1066 MHz desktop memory kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to breathe new life into an older desktop system, the ATEC 32GB DDR3 1066 MHz desktop memory kit is one of the most effective and practical upgrade options available for DDR3 based machines. This kit is designed specifically for users who want to improve multitasking performance, system responsiveness, and overall computing stability without replacing their entire system. Let's start with what this product actually offers. This is a 32GB memory kit made up of four 8GB DDR3 modules running at 1066 MHz, also known as PC3-8500. It uses a standard 240-pin DMM design, which makes it compatible with a wide range of older desktop systems that still rely on DDR3 architecture. It's non-ECC and unbuffered, meaning it is intended for standard consumer and office desktops rather than enterprise server environments. Now, the most important question: what does upgrading to this RAM actually do for your system? In real-world use, increasing your RAM capacity to 32 GB can significantly improve multitasking performance. If you're someone who works with multiple applications open at the same time, such as web browsers with many tabs, office applications, light photo editing tools, or even older design software, this upgrade helps eliminate slowdowns and reduces system lag. Instead of constantly relying on virtual memory or swapping data to your hard drive, your system can keep more active data in fast access memory, which results in a smoother overall experience. Even though 1066 MHz is not the fastest DDR3 speed available, the key advantage here is capacity. For many older systems, especially those originally shipped with 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM, upgrading to 32 GB is a massive jump in usability. It can make an aging desktop feel far more capable and stable, especially under heavier workloads. One of the strong points of this ATEC memory kit is its focus on compatibility and reliability. It is designed for easy installation in compatible DDR3 desktop motherboards. Once installed, the modules are automatically recognized by most systems without requiring manual configuration in the BIOS. This plug-and-play behavior is especially helpful for users who are not technically advanced but still want to upgrade their system. Another important aspect is build quality and packaging. The RAM modules come professionally sealed in high-quality anti-static protective packaging. This is important because RAM components are sensitive to static electricity, and proper packaging helps ensure the modules arrive safely and in perfect working condition. ATEC also backs the product with a lifetime warranty and includes US-based technical support, which adds confidence for long-term use. From a stability standpoint, DDR3 memory like this is known for being reliable and consistent when used within supported systems. Once installed, you can expect stable performance without random crashes or memory-related errors, provided your system is compatible and functioning properly. This makes it a solid choice for reviving older business desktops, home PCs, or office machines that still rely on DDR3 technology. However, it is important to understand the limitations as well. This is DDR3 memory running at 1066 MHz, which means it is designed for older systems. It will not work with modern DDR4 or DDR5 motherboards. So before purchasing, you must confirm that your system supports DDR3 240-pin DMM modules. Compatibility is the most important factor here, and checking your motherboard specifications is essential. In terms of performance improvements, the difference you will notice depends heavily on your current setup. If you're upgrading from a low RAM configuration like 4 GB or 8 GB, the improvement will feel dramatic. Applications will open faster, multitasking will be smoother, and system freezing or lag will be significantly reduced. If you're already using a higher-end DDR3 setup, the gains may be more moderate but still noticeable in multitasking-heavy workflows. Overall, the ATEC 32GB DDR3 1066 MHz RAM kit is best seen as a value-driven upgrade solution for older systems. It is not about cutting-edge speed or modern performance benchmarks. It is about extending the life of existing hardware and making it more usable for today's basic and intermediate computing needs. If you have an older desktop that still performs important tasks but feels slow or limited, this memory upgrade can make a real difference. It improves multitasking, enhances stability, and gives your system a second life without the need for a full replacement. For users working with compatible DDR3 systems, this is a reliable, straightforward, and cost-effective upgrade that delivers exactly what it promises: more memory, better multitasking, and improved everyday performance.